Hi, and welcome to Diary. My name is Victoria Asefon, and in this video, we'll be working on a project for a fashion outlet mall. We'll be implementing a sales performance monitoring dashboard for StyleScape, which is our business of focus. This project is designed for intermediate level data analysts who have had some experience with data visualization and data analysis and want to apply their skills in a real world scenario. In this project, you create interactive dashboards and reports that provide insights for decision makers in a fashion outlet mall. You learn how to use data to optimize operational efficiency and also make better business decisions. The tools we'll be using to implement this project are SQL and Power BI. And some of the skills you will learn as you are working on this project includes DAX, database querying, data visualization, data modeling, and also report automation.